What in this woman they do? She's bugging me. What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Oh, you want to eat this food here? Or you have eaten already? Open your mouth, let me see. Open your mouth. Away. Look at. Imagine. And cook. By this time of the night. Woman, I will not warn you again. Keep this thing. Keep this thing. I will not warn you again. From 6 o'clock, I don't want you to eat anything. From 6 p.m. You'll be drinking water. I've told you this. Don't even provoke me. I will not repeat myself. Look at what you want to eat by this time. Take your water. Take your water. Take this thing, girl. Look at your body. Take this thing. Drink that one. You pack this thing, go and keep.